Got a call that those ski skins are in for that enticer, and I got new wear bars for it too, so I'll grab those and throw them on. One of the skis is brand new, the other one isn't, and I didn't think it was as bad, so I didn't replace it when I replaced the other one. Now they're all out of stock all the way across Canada and you can't get them, and it's rusted right through, so like enough that it's causing a lot of drag, like just going down the trail. It's like a wake of snow coming off that bad ski. So I got ski skins, I'll slap those on and maybe we'll have time to go for a little test ride. So that's the plan. Oh, up here we got a car in the ditch, a grader, and a tow truck. Oh, that car is quite in the ditch. Roads are just a mess now. We're above zero. It says 6 degrees. I don't think it's 6, but it's warm enough that the roads are just a complete mess now, so that's good. Lots of skidoo trails. Alright, I'm gonna run in here and get the stuff. Those things are a little wider than I thought. She's gonna float on the snow now. There's so many snowmobile tracks out there, especially compared to last year. Last year we had like, right now, we had like no snow this time of year last year. How rough those are. That's a piece welded on, and that's the one. This thing will float on water. There. There. There we go. They are much lighter. One. Ooh, not much of those left. Yeah, this thing will literally be on the water. I think with these. They're so wide. I can't wait to try it out. One more, we're testing this baby out. Alright, let's get her outside and try it out. They're way wider than the other ones, or than just the ski. I'd say there's an inch on each side at least. So, Should be fun. Alright, there you go. Ski skins help. I wouldn't say I'm going on the lake this summer, but it definitely floats on top of the snow way better than it did with those skinny little skis. Like a lot of those old snowmobiles, they only have like a 5-inch ski on them, so you kind of need something like that to stay on top of the light stuff. Alright, we'll see you on the next one. Later.